question we had was what weird symptoms could be associated with dysautonomia. And there's actually quite a bit, because our autonomic nervous system controls blood in our body into all cells at the right time. It's also going to control our temperature regulation. So some people will all of a sudden just get cold and have chills, or get sweaty and clammy all of a sudden, or just get really hot. It's going to be a function of your autonomic nervous system. It's different than hot flashes, right? Because hot flashes, when we typically talk about that, we're talking about the hormonal control over it. Also, right on that topic is sometimes hormonal imbalances will develop as a consequence of dysautonomia. There's a lot of gastrointestinal issues because our ability to rest and digest is a function of the parasympathetic nervous system, and it allows gut motility. And if you don't have enough parasympathetic tone, you can get gastric paresis, constipation, bloating, all different symptoms that you may think are just GI related. Also, part of that paradigm with dysautonomia being misdiagnosed is that a lot of times you're going to get heart palpitations, changes in your heart rate, whether it's too low or too high, that tachycardia where patients with POTS have. So they're going to go to a cardiologist thinking that there's issues with their heart, and there's not. It's actually issues with the sympathetic and parasympathetic innervation to the heart. Some other weird symptoms. You can get a lot of brain fog, because when we talk about brain fog, it's sort of like our cognitive mental energy, right? So if we can't get enough blood to the brain at the right time, or we're not getting enough blood to the area of the basal ganglia, we'll get foggy. And so a lot of dysautonomia patients will say they have some brain fog. It's also another overlapping effect of hormonal imbalance, right? So we're seeing kind of how these things coincide and are related. And then we'll soon talk about why younger women are more susceptible to developing dysautonomia.